Toys aren't made just for fun. They play an important role in how your child learns about the world, teamwork, creativity, and family bonding. So girls and boys, get up and get ready to have some fun time. AirHawk Super Soft Stunt Shot Indoor Remote Control Car with Soft Wheels. Remember how all those remote-controlled cars damage your furniture and walls? It was fun but messy. That's where the AirHawk Soft Wheel Remote Car comes in. Let your little boy have all the fun while keeping the house and himself safe. The car is made with soft foam wheels and a plastic design without rough or pointy edges, and no small detachable parts, 100% safe for your child. With AirHawks, let them have all the fun while not making a mess around the house. Drone Home. First ever game with the real flying drone. Here is a perfect game for a perfect family bonding time. The Drone Home. The little alien is in trouble and needs yours and the kids' help to get back into his alien drone. The game features a real flying drone. Aside from all the fun with the flying drone, the game could be a little challenging. You will have to launch it from the pad and accurately land it in the middle, where it will fit the alien perfectly in the middle of the alien ship. The game is ideal for 4 people to play, so buckle up, sit around with the kids, and start having a fun day with the family. Tossy. Smart golf disc and 360 LED flying disc and boomerang. Are the kids spending too much time on their phones or television? Having a hard time taking your kids outdoors? No need to worry about this toy. Not only take your kids outdoors, but will keep them playing until they get exhausted. Meet Tossy Smart Golf Disc and Boomerang. It is probably the world's first smart disc powered by AI. You can connect it to your phone wirelessly and track your throwing performance and change its LED colors to different patterns so the kids can enjoy. And the boomerang is so easy to play with, especially it is super easy to catch. We all know that's the hardest part. All you gotta do is launch it, enjoy the ride, and catch it. Its round design not only ensures a longer flight time, but also your safety. Both the disc and boomerang are made of high-resistant plastic, so let your kids go out in the outdoor and play with them anywhere they want. These toys are built to last. Like the video so far, hit the subscribe button and thumbs up. We'll keep you updated. JJRC S4 Spectre Waterproof Wi-Fi FPV RC Boat Support VR 720p HD Camera. Here's a fun toy that will let your kids have a fun time playing water boats. The Spectre remote control boat, made to be waterproof and weatherproof, riding this boat is only half the fun. So what about the other half? The toy boat features a 720-megapixel HD Wi-Fi camera, so while riding it, you can take clear first-person views of your surroundings. Or better yet, connect and put on the VR goggles and it will feel like traveling in a real boat. The long-lasting battery life and the robust exterior design will make sure the kids can play with it as long as they want to. Sky Scoreboard Games. 8 Sky Spinner wheels, 2 launchers, 5 scoring poles, and a few cardboard pieces. That's all you need to set up this board game, which will give you, the kids, and the friends an amazing fun family time. Let me be clear, the game is challenging as much as it is fun. You'll have to launch the spinner wheels and try to land them exactly through the poles. Through this game, the kids can learn about patience, precision, and skill, all the while having a great bonding time with their family. So go ahead, cut out the TV time, get together and enjoy with the family like the good old days. Smart Ball, Speed Football, Talking Soccer Ball. We're going to end our list with a smart football that will keep your boys and girls playing for hours. This smart football can measure how fast you hit it and how fast it travels using embedded advanced sensors. Speed is everything and how fast you will be able to hit it. Why let your kids play alone? Join with them and double the fun. The smart ball is made to give you a whole new experience for your little football enthusiast. Which one is your favorite? Let us know down below. And hey, don't forget to share your experience if you ever bought any of these toys for your child. Subscribe and stay tuned, and we'll see you soon with some more exciting toys.